Alright, watch this. This is his favorite game. I call it Mochi versus the Ribbon. Mochi. Are you ready? Gladiators, ready. Contestants, ready. 3, 2, 1, action! Mochi, you cheated. You went before the bell. You went before the bell. You went before the bell. Give me that. Ooh, that was a close one. Ooh, that was a close. Ah, you got it, bro. You got it. Whee! He loves this game. This is his favorite game by far. Oh, he also loves the laser. Maybe I can show you one of his laser chasing videos in the future as well. Like and subscribe if you want to see that. I'll try and lower it on him. This is funny when he goes in battle mode and he starts rolling around with it. Ready? Are you gonna show him what it's like to roll around on your belly? Roll around on your belly, buddy. It's on you. It's on you, bro. There you go, guys. There you go. I call it battle mode. Battle mode. Good boy. All right, family. Like and subscribe for more Mochi. Ain't that right, bro? We'll continue playing after the camera. Don't worry. We'll continue playing, my friend.